Hi guys! Today we are learning how to fix Spotify login issues. First, unlock your phone and access the home screen. Swipe down from the top to open the quick settings panel. Before trying anything else, it's important to make sure your device is properly connected to the internet. Now check whether your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working correctly. If the connection looks weak or unstable, reconnect to the network or switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. A stable internet connection is required for Spotify to log in successfully. If the issue still continues, return to your home screen and open the App Store or Play Store. Sometimes login problems happen because the app version is outdated. Updating Spotify can quickly resolve many common issues. Once the store is open, tap the search option at the bottom right corner. This will allow you to find Spotify and check whether a newer version is available. Keeping apps updated helps improve performance and fixes bugs. Tap the search bar at the top and type Spotify. As soon as Spotify appears in the search results, select it to open the app details page. Here, you'll be able to see if an update is available. Now tap on the Spotify app from the results. This will open the application's information page where you can manage updates and view the latest version of details. Updating the app can solve many login-related problems. If you see an update button, tap it and wait for the installation to complete. Once the update finishes, reopen Spotify and try signing in again. Many users find that this step fixes login issues immediately. If you're still unable to log in, restart your phone. A quick reboot refreshes system processes and clears temporary glitches that may be interfering with Spotify. After the phone turns back on, try opening Spotify again. After restarting the device, launch Spotify and attempt to sign in once more. Enter your login details carefully and make sure there are no typing mistakes. In many cases, the login issue should now be resolved. And that's how you can fix Spotify login issues using a few simple troubleshooting steps. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe to the channel and comment below for more easy tech tutorials.